NexiGo Aurora Pro MK2. Proof 30,000 to 1 contrast on a 120-inch screen in daylight.
Last Sunday, I invited 6 friends over for the Champions League final, and we ended up watching it on my 77-inch TV like we were sitting in the cheap seats. Everyone kept leaning forward, squinting, asking, "Wait, who's that?" I wanted to disappear into the couch. Type same if your living room has ever betrayed you like that.
That tight chest, secondhand embarrassment when your own setup makes the biggest moments feel small is brutal. You can almost taste the disappointment. Stay with me for 30 more seconds because I found something that doesn't just fix it, it makes you forget TVs ever existed. One random Tuesday, the NexiGo Aurora Pro MK2 arrived. I slid it 6 inches from the wall, pressed power, and the triple-color laser lit up a 120-inch 4K image so sharp my girlfriend literally gasped. Factory calibration hits delta E under 1, colors so accurate they look wet. Scene Adapt Engine pushes real 30,000 to 1 contrast with dynamic laser dimming that makes blacks disappear and highlights explode. 2,500 honest ANSI lumens laugh at daylight when paired with the bundled 120-inch Fresnel ALR screen that rejects 90% of overhead light. Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus tone mapping is flawless. MEMC makes sports look shot on film. 60-watt Harman Atmos speakers chest punch without a soundbar. And gaming mode drops to 4.2 millisecond latency at 4K 120 Hz. That night at 2 a.m., my buddy Alex, who calibrates $15,000 projectors for a living, walked in, looked at the wall, looked at me, and just said, "Dude, you broke cinema."
Alex still brings clients to my place because the out-of-box Delta E 0.67 beats most reference monitors he owns. An ISF calibrator measured 110% BT.2020 and said it's the most accurate consumer projector he's ever touched without touching it. On Reddit, at Projector Ninja sold his Hisense PX3 Pro the same week he got the Aurora Pro MK2 because the NexiGo blacks are deeper and the screen handles my skylight better. My own observation after 8 months, 0 brightness loss, 0 rainbow. Fan so quiet I forget it's on. The #1 objection I hear is always $4,000 is still a lot. Fair, until you realize a comparable 120-inch Fresnel ALR screen alone costs $2,000, and every competitor charges more for worse color and no screen. This is why thousands of us won't shut up about it right now. Which part would hit you hardest? Daylight-proof 120 inches, reference color without calibration, or finally hearing Atmos without 10 extra boxes? Tell me below.
Imagine every single night walking into a private cinema that makes commercial theaters feel small and overpriced. That's what living with the NexiGo Aurora Pro MK2 actually feels like. Join the thousands of us who sold our TVs and never looked back. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure right there. Just click, see the real photos and current bundle price for yourself. No pressure at all. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, your living room deserves to know this exists. See you on the inside.